The four most dangerous words in investing are "this time it's different." Gold is screaming higher right now, and somehow nobody can give you a straight answer why. The market feels like that one friend who suddenly got rich overnight, but gets very quiet when you ask questions. Stocks are near highs, crypto's doing its usual roller coaster, and the economy is sending mixed signals like a bad relationship. So the real question is, WTF is actually happening to gold right now? To understand this, we need to go back, because markets love repeating themselves, just with better marketing. In the 1970s, inflation exploded. Oil prices went crazy, currencies started wobbling, and gold went from $35 to $850. That's a 24x move. Then fast forward to 2008. Banks collapsed, trust in the system disappeared, and gold ran again from around $700 to $1,900. Same story, different decade. Crisis hits, fear spreads, governments print money, and gold quietly becomes the winner. And now, this moment feels like a sequel. Not identical, but familiar enough to make smart money uncomfortable. Now here's where things get weird. Central banks, yes, the same people who control money, just bought over 1,000 tons of gold in a single year. That's the highest level ever recorded. Countries like China, India, and Russia are stacking gold aggressively, almost like how people were accumulating Bitcoin before it exploded. And at the same time, global debt has crossed $300 trillion. Let that sink in. Trillion. Meanwhile, interest rates jumped from near zero to over 5% in the US in a very short time. That's like living rent-free for years and suddenly getting hit with a massive monthly bill. Systems don't adjust to that smoothly. Banks start feeling pressure, currencies weaken, and confidence, the one thing holding everything together, starts to crack. And that's the key. Gold isn't just moving because of inflation anymore. That's the old explanation. This time, it's about trust. Or more accurately, the lack of it. Big money is asking a very simple question. What happens if the system breaks again? And gold is the answer they keep coming back to. It doesn't depend on a government. It doesn't default. It doesn't need a bailout. It just sits there, quietly holding value while everything else gets complicated. But here's the twist most people miss. When gold rises this fast, it's not a celebration. It's a warning. It's like smoke in the distance. You don't panic immediately, but you definitely start paying attention. So what should you do with all of this? Here's the honest answer. No one knows exactly what happens next. Gold could keep rising, or it could cool off for a while. Markets don't move in straight lines, but history gives us a pattern. When gold starts behaving like this, something deeper is shifting underneath the surface. It's not always visible right away, but it matters. The goal isn't to blindly chase gold or ignore it completely. The goal is to stay aware, manage your risk, and not get caught up in extremes. Because in the end, investing isn't about being right all the time. It's about staying rational when everything around you feels irrational. And right now, things are starting to feel just a little bit irrational. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to share, subscribe, like,